Yung mga cut mo, halimbawa nag-trap.
Last 2 games tayo, antay nito, last 2 games. Sila, ano?
Yung energy mo doon. Reset mo dito sa menu.
Next na yung ano, yung nandito.
All reset.
Sa likod.
8 minutes lang.
Next na yung mga sa likod dito.
Pindutin mo yan pagka nag-start na.
Last 2 games.
Sige, pindutin mo. Pagka-start.
Ayusin natin yung rotation next time.
Grabe naman yun, si Maui. Wow.
Maui, Nisha. Roma, Nangwersa. Uy, malakas. Number 1. Next game natin mga sila Tonga at saka sila Castro.
Sali na ako dun ha.
Bata eh.
Ano? Half court lang ako eh.
Ayaw nga, no?
2 inch lang ako eh. Hindi, nagkaroon na ng injury kaya nakalaro ako.
Score,
Scarbon, wala pa no?
1-0, tie game. Kidder. Nice pass to number 21. Nice connection. 2-0. 2-0. Number 21. Kidder. Hessing. Oy!
Dito ako ba sa kabila? Para kita ni Bebe.
Lost it.
Doon ako sa tabi niya.
It's a lost possession. Long three, number 8. Matata. Lea, no good.
Wala pa nakakascore sa kanila oh.
Maui, 2-pointer, no good.
Ayan na.
Yan na, 2 points.
Break the egg.
White, dribbling the ball. Kidder, setting the play. Kidder, second chance. Lead pass to number 1, Sakto. Antman, 2 points. Score 2. Kartabon, no turn. No good. Nice pass. Drop pass. Number 1. Uy! Ang ganda naman. Nice finish by number 1. Kidder. Pinuwersa. Number 2. Long 2. Favorite shot. Bad pass. Kidder na libre. Number 2. Oy! Nice defense. By Maui. Antman. White. Check. Number 1. Castro Antman, 2-pointer. It's good, 2 points. 8-4, 8-4, 8-4. Kidder, pass to number 21. Power moves. Rebound by Maui. Number 8. 1v1, oy. Wala, oy. Assist to himself. Number 21. Oy! Nagawan. 1v1. Nice pass. Hang time. Lea. Mahusay. 12-4. Number 21. Oy, libre. Kinder. 2-pointer. No good.
Alat ah.
Number 1. Uy, nice pass. Nalito ako dun ah. Kinder. Kinder, 2 points. Sure ball. Favorite. Piso-piso. Number 1, pass to Ant-Man, long to short, Maui.
Binatukan.
Nagasgasan. Nagasgasan daw yun.
Ang laki na siko niyan. Ay, ito.
Maui the mechanic.
Si Maui ba? Oy.
Mechanic ko pala yan si Maui, no?
Gulat nga din ako. Mag-isang bubuhat ng makina.
Leader, number 21, Langwersa. 2 points. Basic move. Number 1, 2v1. Umidiskarte. Uy, nice pass. At number 2 points.
Wala ng highlight sa inyo mga boss.
Mahusay ah, maraming ano ah. Kartapon, 3-pointer. Leo. Number 1. Grabe, labas na. Nilabas na ang alas. Uy.
Sabi mo matotoo lang yan.
Leader, mababa. Out of bounds. Change possession. Good. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 28. 12-point lead. Malakas.
Scorebon.
28.
Tambak. Siyam lang.
Pero ano?
Nahabol lang.
Maui!
Ay, 11 pala. 11 lang.
Number 8. Parang ngayon pala nagseryoso pa mga to ah. Step back, 2 points. Maui, nalibre. 22-8. Tambak tayo, 22-8. Kider, didiskarte. Uy, steal. Number 8. Alley-oop. Oy! Lumabas! Kinder! Second chance! Ay, wala pa rin! Mahalat. Ant-Man. Nice defense. Number 21. Number 2. Uy, side step!
Wag.
Number
Sama
1.
yun.
Behind the back. Uy! Just behind the back. Up and under.
Ano yun?
10 seconds tayo. 10 seconds. 10.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Change point.
Ba't sasabihin mo pa
26-8. 26-8 ang score.
Kaya lamang.
Medyo lamang.
Na-change mo na yung word? Yung na-change mo na yung word?
Okay, second half tayo, second half.
Pagka na-hold na, ano na?
8 minutes. 8:26. Either pass number 2, long to, favorite shot. In and out. Right. 2-pointer. Arm. Pagilid. Number 8. Post to post. Too strong. Keeper. Didiskarte. 2-pointer. Pagilid.
Gagawin mo na, isusumsum mo na. Yo.
Matrabaho talaga.
Matrabaho pag kaya maganda sa
7 minutes, 18 seconds. 8-6.
Gustahan na ito mga to.
dapat sila Tongga at si Cabarco.
Lead pass, nice pass, Antman. Nice finish by Antman.
Ito may score na Maui.
Pass to number 21. Roy! Bad pass. 2v1. 3-pointer. Pinaton. 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Romar. Nananahimik. Number 21. Leo.
Bilis.
Steal. 3-pointer. Yun.
Nakakuha.
11-28.
Nakaya, di shit.
17. Uy, fade away. Either with a rebound. Transition offense. 2 points. 13-28. Maui. Pass to the ZR.
Ang baho ng bola, kinalagasan.
Nice move. Recovers. Romar, long three. Habol na. 16-28. Antman, nice move. Foul. Mahusay. 16-28. 16-28, 5 minutes and 31 seconds of the second half.
Parang bilis.
3 points.
Dalawang tres sa isang post.
16-28, number 1, setting the play. Uy! Ang ganda naman. Parang sa Aris yun ah. Number 8, up and under. Up and under, number 8. Uy! Foul. Kartabon, 3-pointer. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. 11-point lead. White with the ball. Pass to number 1. White, Jesse. Turn around. Lost it. Transition offense, 2v1. Romar.
Kaya kayo ng tres.
Fires. No good. Number 8. Counted. 32-19. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Number 21. Floater, no good. Same ball. Last 4 minutes. 19-32. Hey! 22, santo na lang santo. 3 minutes and 44 seconds. One stop. 22-32. Maui. Pamuerza. Foul. The Mechanic. Maui, the Mechanic.
Ang mag-isang humihila ng trap.
3 minutes, 16 seconds. White. Check. Ano yan? Foul?
Foul daw, foul.
Foul daw, foul daw. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Number 1. Pass to number 8, long 2. Wow! Sayang! Number 31. Transition. Lay up! Malakas. Number 8. What's the call? Traveling ka, traveling. Score, 22-32, 10 points. 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Start time mo. Parang yung dead ko lang.
Either. Blanco. Pass to White. White. Go
Score na
hard.
ito.
Nice finish.
Isa lang pumupuntos.
Strong finish by White. 24-32. 8 points.
Lamang pa kayo.
In favor of the offensive team. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Ant-Man, 3-pointer, too strong. Number 8. Nice shot. Second chance point. Number 21. Pass to Peter. Peter.
Nice one.
2 points. 26-34. Floater. 1 minute and 44 seconds.
No, pinabayaan.
3 points.
Init.
29-34. 5.
Payong, payong.
1 minute and 34 seconds. 3-pointer.
Woo, bumawi.
What an answer. Right.
29-37 na.
29-37. Either. Will fire. Oy. No good. Rebound. Nice rebound. Number 8. Oy, coast to coast. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Either. 31-37. Oy! 51 seconds. 6-point lead. 45. Turnover. 37 seconds. 39-31. 8 points. Either. Uy! Number 1. Nice pass. Ant-Man. 2 points. Number 8. 16 seconds. 14. 10 seconds. 8. 7. 6. 3. 2.
Mawi, mawi.
Okay, next game tayo, next game.